It's September. I'm going out. It is the autumnus. The humidity has left the building. Going in with my Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm in the shade Universal. My girl Danessa came through for us oily skin girlies. Oh my god. Hourglass Veil Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade 5. Don't forget to shake her up. I'm just gonna like very poorly place it on. Very streakily place it on. And then I'm just gonna work it in. Is it worth it? I work it. I got a boo-boo on my finger from taking the hose out of the power wash. That's what I get for washing my own car. I'm gonna get this squishy sponge beauty blender, spray it with some distilled water, go in and retexturize. I'm going out during the daytime and I'm not trying to do a full beat because my skin has texture. I think I'm finally starting to lose my tan since summer has ended. HAUS Labs Skinstick Triclone concealers in medium neutral and fair neutral. I'm just gonna blend them out. Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in original. Concealer on my eyelids only because I'm just trying to make everything the same shade right now. I really feel like I shouldn't have done the base before I did my eyes. I'm gonna do a black smoky eye. Fantabulous. Now that I've committed, I think I should just keep going. Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Mocha. I'm gonna contour my face. That's all the contouring I'd like to achieve today. I'm gonna go in with this red berry looking shade. Just kidding. I know it'll blend out beautifully. Seems like a bit much. Well, now I have to match it. Put that beauty setting powder in Cherry Blossom Cake. I'm gonna set under my eyes. I don't know if this will work. I'm gonna try this brush to just lightly set the rest of my face because I just washed my brushes and they're wet. This is the only dry one I have. Milani Silky Tan Bronzing Powder and Suntan. I'm gonna try to like mellow out this blush a little bit. I don't think it's working. It is what it is. Mr. Mario Master Matte Palette, the original. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and apply it all over my lid. It'll just help everything blend a little better and remove that tagginess from the primer. I'm gonna go in with this color right here along my crease. I always talk about how much I love these brushes. I went and I got 2 more of them. They're the Morphe M331 brushes. These are great. These are absolutely phenomenal. Talk about needing the right tool for the right job. They are the nicest brushes for blending that I've used thus far. And I'm gonna bring that same eyeshadow under my eye as well. This warmer shade right here. And I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I'm gonna blend it out into the other eyeshadow that I placed on my crease. Like so. I know, I'm weird. I can't help it. I'm gonna go in with this small flat brush and I'm gonna pack that under my eye, really close to my lower lash line. And I'm gonna blend it out as well. And then I'm gonna go in with like this really pointy brush. Going with this dark brown right here. I'm just gonna place it on this outer corner here, sort of giving myself like a really soft wing. Clean blending brush and just soften up those corners. And then same flat brush, same color, pack it under my eyes, blending it out. Maybelline Build a Brow in black brown. fill in my brows. And then I'm just gonna set them. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm gonna use these lashes. Alright, next lash. Oh baby, I don't wanna know. I remember when that song came out in like the early 2000s. I was a child. I remember being so heartbroken singing along with them. Cause if you're playing me, please don't let it show. We're gonna pause on the eyes. We're gonna move to the lips. NYX Matte Lip Liner in Cold Brew. I haven't tried this lipstick by Milani yet in the shade Flush. Will it help me tie my cheeks in? Yeah. I'm gonna try this MAC lip pencil in Bergola. Does it seem like it's too much? But is it me? Also, yes. But do they go together? Do they go together? I really like this lip combo, but I don't think it goes with the eyes. Restart. NYX lip pencil in Espresso. Sharpen it, sharpen it. Milani lipstick in Tease. I've been reaching for this one a lot lately. And you can see why. Yeah, bitch. Back to the eyes. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. Marry my lashes to these lashes. Coat my lower lashes. Hair down. Well, at least it's not frizzy. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. Where am I going? Where am I going with this? I am going with my friend for her dress fitting for her wedding. And then we're going to this really amazing spot called Chico's Tex-Mex. If you've never been, oh my God, please go. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.